my channel. It feels so good to be back again today with something juicy, spicy and hot as always. I hope you're all doing well and you're keeping safe. This is very, very important. And of course, Merry Christmas. I won't get tired of saying that this season, so don't get tired of hearing that as well. So what are we talking about in today's video? I'm going to be sharing just some few tips on becoming an influencer marketer. I've been asked so many questions about influencer marketing, sponsorship deals and all of that. Well, personally, I'm acquiring knowledge about this as well, and I'm happy to share this knowledge as always. So I'll be particularly making reference to a blog post that I read on IntelliFriends. IntelliFriends, I hope I got that pronunciation right. Yeah, IntelliFriends is a website where you could sign up, where you become an influencer, where you could review products for cash or in exchange for products. Yeah, I will leave a link. I'll leave my referral link in the description box of this video. Just click on that link, go and sign up on that platform. You get paid to review products, you get free products to review as well. So that's a platform you can start from. So I'll be making a reference to one of the blog posts on this platform, John Sickwitz. I hope I pronounced that name well. It's a 2017 blog post where he talked about becoming a top tier influencer focused on authenticity. Yes, that's the heading of this blog post. I'll leave a link to the blog post in the description box of this video. Do well to read up and get more insight to what I'll be talking about in the video. Take it or leave it. Once you put content on social media, you have your own sphere of influence. So you're an influencer in your own capacity. Starting influencer marketing, the first thing you need to do is make yourself visible. Visible in the sense that what platform do you want to use? Are you launching out on Instagram? Are you launching out on YouTube, Twitter, or Facebook? These are platforms you need to consider, and becoming visible is very, very important. Like, stay focused. So you need to know where you want or how you want to target your audience. And once you know where to focus, then you now, number two, you know what to focus on. That's when we talk about the niche. What do you want to influence? Who do you want to influence? How do you want to go about your influencer marketing? So once you know your niche, you'll be able to address all of this and you know how to go about it. Number three, in putting out your content, you need to be very, very authentic. You need to be original and stay focused. You can't just say you want to reach out to the whole world. No, it's very, very important to stay authentic. Be selective with your reviews. You don't just review all the brands. You don't just say, oh, today I want to work with brand A, tomorrow I want to work with brand C. You don't work with brand A to Z. There can be conflict of interest. So these are things you need to consider as you want to start as an influencer. And number four, try to know who the experts. Yes, definitely there are experts before you. Try to understudy the experts. How are they doing it? What have they done? If you need to go into a coaching session, then it's recommended just for you to know what they are doing, how they are doing it, and how you can be better in your own skill. Yes, how you can stand out. Then you now position yourself to stand out. Try to develop your own strategies. Try to develop something that works for you. And number five, take it a step higher by becoming an authority in your chosen niche. Invest in it. If you ask me what type of investment, you can put it on some courses. Go into Udemy, get to learn about influencer marketing. You know, talk to people in the industry, learn from them. On some of the platform where you get to do brand reviews, they have courses that they put you through as well. In a level of hard work, dedicate your time, be diligent. So it's important for you to put in the work, invest in the growth of your influencer marketing business and see it yield results. Brands are ready to pay for authenticity. They are ready to pay for your hard work. Put this in your mind and go for it. As I said earlier, particularly referencing the blog post that I've read, I will leave a link to this blog post in the description box. Do well to read it up, and we'll talk more about influencer marketing as we go into the new year. And I tell you, it is achievable. It is possible for you to be an expert in your chosen field, in your chosen niche. Subsequently, in the new year, I would bring in more platforms where you could get brand deals, where you could get sponsorship. So stay connected. Stay with me on this channel for more updates about influencer marketing. I'll also leave my referral link to IntelliFriends right in the description. Do well to go through all these resources. They are useful resources. And as content creators, a small business that we are building as well, see your platform as a small business. Yes, and as we are building this small business, it's growing up to be an empire. Believe in the process and just give it all it needs to make it work, right? Yes, thank you so much for watching my video today. If you have any question about influencer marketing, please put it in the comment section. Follow me on Instagram. We can chat more on Instagram. And to everyone that supported me in this my daily upload, I've been uploading almost every day since the beginning of this month. Thank you so much for your support. I really do appreciate you. I don't take your love for granted in any way. Yeah, thank you so much. If you are coming across my channel for the first time, if you are seeing this face for the first time, on this channel we talk about how to make money, how to save money, and I take you around the town of Kitchener-Waterloo just for you to know how life is in this part of Canada where I live. So please subscribe, hit that notification bell so that when I upload new videos, you would always come to watch my videos. And I will also leave the links of other videos, my playlist that has to do with business life in Canada. I'll leave it somewhere up in this video. Yeah, do well to enjoy yourself on this channel. Just enjoy my Vlogmas playlist as well. Yeah, there are lots of videos to watch on this channel. Oh yeah. And to all my existing subscribers, thank you for always being with me on this channel. Thank you for rocking with me on this channel. You all are so much appreciated. Until I come again some other time, let's continue to impact the world with knowledge and information. Bye now.